Welcome to Favor Flow Restorative, where harmony is unleashed, mind, body, and soul. Welcome to the visualization meditation for healing and restoring the lineage. Our intention is to release inherited pain, restore balance in your lineage, and call forward healing for past, present, and future generations. So we invite you to close your eyes and settle into your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Now imagine yourself as a tree of life. Your spine is the trunk. Your breath is the wind. Your roots extend deep into the earth. These roots represent your ancestors, known and unknown. Feel their presence, not as a weight, but as a foundation. Gently affirming to yourself, I honor where I came from. I stand rooted, supported, and aware. Now allow awareness of your lineage to rise. Patterns, pain, survival, resilience. See it not as identity, but as energy moving through time. Visualize a river of light flowing through your lineage, from the past, through you, and into the future. And where there is heaviness, the water begins to softly cleanse, not erasing, not denying, but fully transforming. Affirming, I witness what has been carried, and I release what is not mine to hold. Now bring awareness to your heart and see as a golden light begins to glow. This light is your consciousness, your choice, and your healing power. Let it expand throughout your body and allow this light to travel down your roots into your ancestors, up your spine into future generations. See it gently touching each point in your lineage, restoring, softening, and rebalancing. Affirming. Healing flows through me without harm. I restore what can be restored in love. If there are inherited beliefs, patterns, or wounds that feel heavy, see them as old threads loosening, not violently broken, but gently released from your body and spirit. See as they return to the earth to be transformed. Affirming gently to yourself, I release inherited pain, fear, and limitation. I keep the wisdom. I release the weight. Now see the flow of your lineage moving forward, clearer, lighter, and more aligned. Future generations, whether children, community, or impact, receive a different frequency because of you. Feel that and affirm to yourself, I am a bridge of healing. What flows through me is transformed. Bring your hands to your heart and thank your ancestors. Thank yourself, not for being perfect, but for being willing. Now take a deep breath in and release. And whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes, continuing to flow in favor.